Welcome to the Depot Allocation or DA tutorial, a smarter way to plan depot locations, determine delivery range, and design micro-fulfillment center strategies. With DA, allocating stops based on capacity, distance, and availability is done in minutes, not hours. Let's set up your depot locations first by providing the addresses and latitude-longitude coordinates of your depot locations. It's time to load your deliveries into the platform using the CSV template, including dates, time windows, weight, and any other relevant details your drivers need to know for a smooth operation. Click Optimize when you're ready. Your optimization will show you all the relevant information for the depots and what's been assigned to them. And if there's anything you want to fine-tune, you can do it from the timeline or the map. When you're done, save or export the route to relay to your drivers. If you plan on using the PDVRP algorithm, the export is done in a compatible format so you can import it straight away. DA is suitable for all types of vehicles: EVs, trucks, cars, vans, even drones and mobile lockers. You can get more sophisticated with zones, transport specifics, and more details, like where the drivers return to the depot or an alternative end destination.